Humanities is the most all-encompassing, thought-provoking major I could even imagine.
We explore the questions of life in a way that's intellectually challenging and engaging, but personal and real.
I felt like humanities gave me my purpose in college. It helped me grow my mind.
Our name is not a misnomer. We truly do try to figure out all of it is that makes up humanness. And so we ask the big questions.
What we did when we founded the Humanities Department was we placed basic human questions at the center of things.
Do I know myself? Can I know myself?
What's the nature of love? What's the nature of friendship?
How does my faith interact with what I'm learning in the classroom?
What does it mean to be a human being? What's a good human life? Is there a God? What difference does that make for the way I think about things?
From our work life to the day we die, those are the ones we cover.
And so we wanted to put those things at the center and bring all the work of the disciplines together around those basic human questions.
The Humanities Department really strives to live out the Augustinian tradition and values in the courses and the texts that we read.
You encounter people and texts and professors and students who mean so much to each other.
Everyone is coming into this classroom as a partner on a journey.
I've had professors feel so overwhelmed by passion about what they're teaching that they can't help but speak 4 decibels louder than an average professor would, and I love that.
Really, when you're taking a humanities class, you're taking it with the best students at Villanova. Everyone who takes a humanities class is somebody who wants to be there and wants to learn and to grow together with other students.
We live in a world that's very fast-paced, that's hectic, it's fragmented. These are courses designed to help you make sense of that fragmentation, to pursue something you're passionate about, and to integrate it, to bring it all together.
Our experience is filled with laughter and sacrifice and conviviality and questioning, and it shaped me more than I could imagine, and it's made me feel like I've come home.